This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Joyce C. Tapscott. Introducing Historic Boxhall, a circa 1920 Georgian Revival estate showcasing a century of classic architectural trims and features restored with elegance and style. This two-story brick home with slate roof makes a prominent statement on Kingston Pike with a lush green lawn and landscape design offering a green border of privacy. Enter the wide foyer with crystal chandelier and view the formal living room with marble fireplace, gas logs and decorative moldings opening to a lovely outdoor covered porch with double columns entertain in the large dining room adjoining the gourmet kitchen/keeping room with classic off-white cabinets and quartz tops. Serve from the butler's pantry with wine cooler and sink. The powder room features a Tennessee pink marble sink, cont. The breakfast nook is an enclosed breezeway with views of the greenscaped terrace and boxwood border and leads to the great room/studio with wood-burning fireplace. Above is a private guest bedroom/bath suite. The second-level master bedroom offers privacy and elegance opening to a rooftop garden terrace with cityscape and seasonal lake views. The stunning master bath with quartz tops opens to a master closet and dressing area complete with laundry center, all carefully designed to be tucked away. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a renovated bath with woodgrain tile and shower. Gleaming hardwood floors are featured throughout the home. A small brick garden shed or playhouse and covered carport enhance this classic property. Boxhall offers location, style and historical elegance in the Sequoyah Hills area with UT campus, hospital, and airport nearby. For more information, review the details below or contact Joyce Z. Tapscott at 865-584-4000.